which indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include iPod adapter, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2013 Dart. The Dodge Dart is a compact sedan that combines efficiency with sport. With plenty of space to tote passengers, the Dart is a great value and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, rear defrost. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.